2 minutes.
This is part 3.
Tuloy mo na yung Roblox story.
Girl, you're the girl.
Okay. I'm the new girl, and you're the pick-me.
Wait, no, don't add it. You play God's join. Hello. Can you introduce yourselves?
Ano ba yung Biona? Nandun lang sa...
I'm Aiden. I'm Jackson. I'm Quick.
And I'm Clarissa. Sabi mo, what a pick-me name, Clarissa?
No! He's the pick me. She's the pick me.
You're the ugly one. And you're the ugly one.
Nice names. Can we play Clarissa be like you? Can we play a 4-player Abby game?
Umalis pa lang si mama? Saan nagpunta?
Where are you?
Bibidyo. Teka lang.
Shut up, you pick me. Are you blind? You pick me. We're 5.
And you're the pick-me one. Sorry, I'm not a mirror to be said like a pick-me.
At least I'm not a reflection.
At least.
Abby.
I'm passing the water bottle to the pick-me yesterday. Get up, Adel, bro.
I'm not a pick me. I scream like a monkey.
Right, ano yung sour cream? Just lang. Ano ba yun? Huwag na. Akin to ah.
Abby. Whoop.
Kung saan na 5 player daw. Okay?
Whatever. Let's
Sabi-
just join
sabi
me,
ng
boys.
pick-me, let's just join me, boys. Clarissa said, what a pick-me. Nay, may natawag sa inyo. May tumawag.
Cellphone?
Hindi. Labas.